The South African Mint has a long and respected history of producing some of the world's most admired coins, and one of the standout modern series is the Big Five. Launched in 2019, this collection celebrates the iconic wildlife of Africa, often referred to as the Big Five. These include the elephant, lion, buffalo, leopard, and the rhinoceros. Each coin in the series is struck with incredible attention to detail, capturing the spirit and beauty of these majestic animals. In 2021, one of the highlights of the series was the 50 Rand 1-ounce gold coin dedicated to the rhinoceros. The rhino has long been a symbol of strength and resilience. Sadly, it is also one of the most endangered animals in Africa due to habitat loss and poaching. The South African Mint chose the rhino not only for its powerful image but also to raise awareness of its vulnerability. On the obverse of this coin, the design features a striking close-up of the rhino's face. The engraving captures every wrinkle of its skin, the horn's texture, and the strong presence that the animal carries in the wild. The word South Africa, the South African coat of arms, and the face value of 50 Rand are also included. The reverse of the coin is just as stunning. It presents a mirrored image of the rhino's head, creating an artistic full portrait when two coins are placed side by side. This unique feature has become a signature of the Big Five series, making it particularly appealing to collectors. It gives the coins not only aesthetic beauty but also a sense of completeness when paired together. The coin itself is struck in 1 troy ounce of pure 24-karat gold, which is 99.99% fine. With a diameter of 32.69 mm and a limited mintage, the 2021 Rhino coin is considered both an investment piece and a collector's treasure. Because of its high gold content, its intrinsic value moves with the international gold market. However, its rarity and artistic design give it significant numismatic value well above bullion. When it was first released, the South Africa 2021 Rhino gold coin was available at a premium over the spot price of gold, and its price has steadily climbed due to collector demand. Today, depending on the condition and the marketplace, the coin can sell for much more than its gold content alone. Collectors and investors alike prize it for the combination of limited mintage, precious metal purity, and cultural significance. The Big Five series, and especially the Rhino coin, stands as a proud symbol of Africa's natural heritage. It captures not only the image of an endangered animal but also the story of a continent that values both its traditions and its future. For anyone who appreciates fine art, wildlife conservation, and solid gold investment, the South Africa 2021 50 Rand Rhino gold coin is truly a masterpiece worth adding to a collection.